Magavana Cecily Mbarire wa Embu na Isaac Mutuma wa Meru manyitetwo ũgeni-inĩ mũruna wa Tharaka nithi Mũthomi Njũkĩ mwena wa Kathanwa igongona-inĩ rĩa gwĩkĩranĩra kĩrore ngirimiti ya gũteithania ũhoro-inĩ wa gũte gĩko.
Some people think that the waste is of no value, but it is transformed and also made a valuable things which can bring a better life to our people.
The issue of waste management is not a simple one. Counties across the country are grappling with how to sort waste management. Why? Because before, our towns were small. You just needed to pick the waste, go and burn in some fields, and you're sorted. But now we are collecting tons and tons of waste every day.
Rĩciria rĩa atongoria aya nĩ ũrĩa mangĩnyitana na gũteithania kweheria mũrigo wa gĩko kĩrĩa kaunti ici irogotaga na gũgĩthondeka gĩtuĩke thumu wa bataraitha.
Individually, none of us has enough waste to attract an investor to come and invest in our region or in our counties. But collectively, we have a critical mass of waste that can actually attract an investor.
Meru, Embu and Tharaka produces an average of 1,350 tons a day of waste. 57% of that is organic waste. We import very many tons of fertilizer. We are saying as Met, if we are producing 57% organic as waste, then we already have a solution to what we normally import from outside, that is organic fertilizer for our plants.
Nĩ rĩciria rĩratwarana na mwerekera wa gĩthiũrũrĩ wa gũte gĩko kũrĩa andũ mabatiĩ gwetha njĩra cia gũcenjia gĩko na gũgĩtua gĩa kũguna.
This memorandum of understanding that we've just signed is more than an agreement. It is a declaration of shared vision, shared responsibility, and shared destiny. For too long, waste has been seen as a burden. Today, we redefine it as a source of energy, innovation, and opportunity.
Hamwe na kweheria thĩna wa gĩko kaunti-inĩ ici, meciria maya no maratanywo gũthondeka mĩeke ya mawĩra kũrĩ andũ ethĩ kuma o kũrogota gĩko gĩkĩ nginyagia gũgĩthondeka.
This partnership will enable us, one, to develop joint waste processing and recycling facilities. Two, to promote clean energy and circular economy initiatives. Three, create green jobs for our youth. And four, preserve the natural beauty and productivity of our counties.
We will be creating jobs for our people, and creating jobs in Kenya today is the greatest thing any government can do because we have a serious problem of unemployment.
Ngirimiti ĩno mekĩranĩire kĩrore ĩrahe mweke ũrutithania wa wĩra na kambuni ya Jospong na nĩ ĩrathathaũra ũrĩa o mwena ũbatiĩ gwĩka na ũrĩa ũkũgunĩka mũbango-inĩ ũyũ. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.